So, we're here in Vorlich. God knows how you pronounce it, might have just butchered it. But yeah, we're here. Pretty decent place to start off. Gonna do Vorlich, a little Lomond one. Just past 9 o'clock, pretty early start. If you want to call it early. It's a Saturday, so kind of want to go up early, make sure I got a space. It's pretty hard getting a space. But yeah, looks pretty good. Weather's looking alright. Clouds quite low. Hopefully the cloud clears. I just got the drone today. Ran the drone. That's the one that was in action in the last video that Tom had. Just went and sent it and got it. Got it midweek. Went out the other day. Planning about, forgot to get an SD card before it. So I couldn't record it, but I've got an SD card today. Got it in the drone already. So all prepped, all good to go. Hopefully we'll get some cracking shots. Yeah, pretty excited. Pretty buzzing. It's pretty dull when I was travelling up, but it's kind of cleared up a little bit. So yeah, I've seen the way you go up, and it's probably another like 200 meters, 300 meters up the road. So yeah, gonna go there, and see you soon. Another reason I wanted to do it early was because, according to the weather, the rains might start about 4 o'clock. And obviously with the new drone, I just wasn't taking that chance. So hopefully we get up, chill at the top, get the drone, get a couple of shots, and then maybe the rain will catch us on the way back down, I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't want to take that risk. So I've been walking for about 30 minutes now. It's just a road, it's like a construction road. Still works for them. So by the looks of it, the Loch's just ahead of me, behind the hill. Then obviously we go right. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's humid, it's warm, it's not sunny. Like behind me is clear as day, and in front of me is just cloudy and misty. Hopefully that clears. Yeah. Guess I'll see you when we see the dam for the first time. Should be cool. Alright, see you in a bit. So that's been about an hour that we've walked, or an hour and a half. Get to the point where there's steps up there, or we can just keep going to the dam. I was about to keep going, but then someone came down that way and told me that was Vorlich, so yeah, it seems alright. I think Ben Vane's across from us. You can see a lot of people going up that way. Hopefully we get to see the dam. I thought you would have, but I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. But yeah, we're just gonna crack on, see where it takes us. So we're kind of losing sight of the dam now. It's pretty brutal, it's just constant. It's fine, it's just steps, you know what I mean, but it's steep in some parts. That's what we've done so far. Pretty high up, and this is where we're going. Should be good, hopefully it's clear at the top so I can get the drone up. Sit here, have a drink, and head up. Alright, see you in a bit. So I'd say we're getting pretty close to the summit. Fortunately, by the looks of it, it's not going to be a drone day. It's look at it. Bit of a bummer. The dam's down there. You can hardly see it. I mean, maybe by chance 1 in a million the clouds will lift. I highly doubt it. Been an okay climb. Got pretty steep at one part. Kind of climbing up, sort of gravelly if you want to call it that. But yeah, it's a bit of a bummer to be honest with you. It's kind of buzzing to get like a decent thumbnail with the drone. You know, kind of looking down to Loch Lomond, but that ain't happening. So I'll just go up, get to the top, chill for a bit, and then I'll just head back down because there's no point in waiting. It's meant to rain later on in the afternoon anyway, so can't want to get down before that starts. But yeah, I'll see you at the summit. So unfortunately, this is the top. Can't see nothing. It's a bit of a bummer to be honest with you. Look forward to the drone, but yeah, I'll use it. Let's get to the next one. I can see a little bit. down the climb back onto the road now. We're just sort of losing the dam now. It's good. It's tough going. It's just constant. There's no scrambling, not much scrambling, but it's just steps, constant steps all the way up. All in all, I can't actually remember what time we started. I think it's about 9 o'clock-ish. Maybe later than that, I'm not sure, but it's now 3 o'clock. So, and we've timed it pretty well because the rain's just starting to come on now. Yeah, pretty bummed that couldn't get the drone at the summit, but we got up and got some pretty decent shots. Yeah, from here on it's just a walk, so walk back down the road, probably 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, I want to just keep on walking. Now we'll see you in a minute. So you join me in the car. Plan was to do the outro where the intro by the Loch, but I don't know if you can hear it. This is the situation. Right, hold on. Honey. It is absolutely jumping. There's a new car, look, ST. Oh, it's banging. Launch control, which I'm obviously not going to use car park, but it's nuts. Ever since that last clip that you seen, when I said that all the rain's just starting, it started. It started hard, like it's... Ever since it started drizzling, it just started bouncing and bouncing all the way back. And you're kind of the path that you walk back, you're walking along the side of the road, and I mean there is a path, you know what I mean, but you know, there's puddles, folk driving through the puddles and they get drenched. What can you do? Yeah, super glad I got down when it did, because that would not have been a fun descent in this rain. It's nuts. It wasn't forecasted for this, at least. So I checked like last night, this morning, it said it was meant to start raining about 4ish, right? But it was like, you know, like a light sort of clouds, light showers, not torrential rain. Like, nuts. Absolutely nuts. But we're dried, we're changed, feeling fresh. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, new drone, that was pretty good, pretty cool. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. Can't forget to sub. You sub. Even if you smash like 10 likes this video, that'd be nuts. Absolutely nuts. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, pop out the link. I'll pop out on the screen just now. I'll put a link in the description as well. Just that's kind of just been behind the scenes stuff, you know what I mean? Like, YouTube gets the main videos, like edited, all that stuff, whereas Insta's just raw, uncut, me sweating, knackered, going up a hill. You'll love it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a good day, morning, evening. And yeah, I'll see you next one where hopefully the weather's pretty chill and we get to use a drone at the top. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna drive home. Alright, peace. Have a good one.